In this video, we are going to discuss about 5 common mistakes a school does while they are planning to buy interactive flat panel for their classroom. So point number 1 is the interactive flat panel which you are planning to buy is to be used inside the classroom. Teachers and students are going to interact with this interactive flat panel. So it must have all the content and the features which can be useful for the students and the teachers, like CBSE, NCERT, local board content, and it must be aligned with NAP 2020. The most board which is available in the market does not have the alignment with NAP 2020. So you are buying a board which could be outdated as on today. Second is choosing the right supplier for your smart class solution. See, when you are talking about the smart class or the interactive flat panel which you are buying for your classrooms, it is just not one time purchase of a TV or something like that. It is a complete solution. So your supplier should be there to help you, support, give a training, after sales and everything. So it needs expertise. Just don't have a supplier because they are supplying other equipment does not mean they can give a services on interactive flat panel. You need say after sales training, you need a demo and lot more things with this interactive flat panel. So it's just not a supply of a product. So choose your supplier wisely. Third most common is lots of schools, when we discuss with the management, they have fancy about the big brands. They say we want to go with this brand blah blah and blah blah. But understand, this brand does not have expertise on the education field. They do not have the ecosystem of training, after sales and everything. So when you are actually paying a lot of money for the big brand, you are not getting a desired output inside the classrooms because this brand does not have that ecosystem ready. So there is no point paying extra for that logo because no brand is actually manufacturing or interactive flat panels. So there is no point paying for this extra money for that logo itself only. Fourth mistake is choosing a non-scalable solutions. If you want to add more interactive flat panels, what if you want to integrate your LMS with the classrooms? Whether your solutions or product you are buying is scalable or not, you must look into that before buying any solutions of interactive flat panel. Fifth and most common is not checking the certificates. Government of India do provide lot of certificates on the quality on interactive flat panels. So whether your interactive flat panel does have that BIS, NSIC or like certificate or not, because it's easy to put a logo and start selling an interactive flat panel. So you must check the authenticity of the interactive flat panel by certificates. Actually, school is making lot of investment in smart classrooms. It is not a one-time investment. The ROI will come in coming 5 to 7 years. And as school management, you must avoid these 5 mistakes while you are buying in smart classrooms. Please like and subscribe our video, and if you have any doubts and confusion, you can put it on our comment box. Thank you very much.